Today I'm going to be reviewing JouleLoom Surge Protector 20-in-1. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open up the box and check out what we got. All right, and here we go. Nice small package, not very big. Everything you want here. You're going to get 14 ports here. What's nice about these two, you get the 2 inches in between. Plenty of ports to plug in everything. You get the 4 USB-A's, and then you get 2 USB-C's. Easy on, easy off. Really nice that you get the flat 45-degree plug, so just put it behind a sofa. It's going to lay flat. 1850 joules protection, so that is going to take care of your basic needs for things that are plugged in here. One of the things I like about this company is they got great customer service. If you have any issues within 12 months of owning this, they're going to take care of you. Just call them up and they will make things right. Finally, this is an Amazon choice. It gets 4.7 stars, and last month they sold 300 plus of this unit. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.